Most people learn SQL the hard way, which is scattered tutorials, endless Google searches, and lot of confusion. But what if you could see the entire path to mastering SQL in one clear, simple roadmap? Well, welcome to DataSurface, where we turn complex data skills into clear step-by-step journeys. Today, we are going to break down the entire SQL curriculum into a clear visual mind map that makes it all click. Everything here is organized around one core idea, which is SQL. We will start with the foundational building blocks on the left, then move into the advanced and specialized topics on the right. By the end, you will have a complete roadmap to guide your SQL learning. Alright, let's start with the absolute fundamentals on the left side of the map. Let's start with the data types. Think of data types as the categories of your data. Before you store anything, SQL needs to know what kind of information it's dealing with. Character, numbers, date and time, and raw binary data, and other few special types. Choosing the right data type is the foundation of a well-structured database. Then moving to the next topic, SQL classes. These are the everyday building blocks of queries. Select class to choose columns, from to pick up the table, where to filter rows, group by to organize them, having to filter groups, order by to sort, and limit offset to control how many results you see. Master this and you control your data. Then move on to the next topic, SQL commands. Commands are grouped like tools in toolbox. So basically commands are grouped by their purpose. DDL, create and modify the table structure. DML, insert, update, delete the data. DCL, manage permissions. TCL, manage the transactions, like committing the transactions or reverting the transaction. And DQL or DSL, which is for queries. Each group serves a different role in how you interact with the database. Then move on to the next topic, operators. So operators let you perform actions and comparisons. Arithmetic for maths, comparison operators like equal or greater than, less than, or logical operators like and or not. Special and set operators like union, union all, intersect, to combine the queries. Then move on to the next topic, constraints. Constraints are rules that protect our data. Not null ensures no empty values should present in the particular column. Unique guarantees the no duplicates. Primary key identify the each row uniquely. Foreign key links the tables. Basically it will establish the relationship. And check default or the adding extra validations. Then move on to the next topic, views. A view like a saved query that act as a virtual table. Use simple views for one table, complex views for joins, and metallized views to store results for speed. Then move on to the next topic, joins. Joins let you combine the data from multiple tables. Inner join for matching rows, left or right outer join for unmatched rows, full outer join for all the rows, plus cross and natural joins for special cases. Then move on to the next topic is subqueries. Subquery is a query inside another query. Simple ones, correlated ones, scalar ones, and inline views. So these are the powerful breaking problems into steps. So that's the foundation. Now let's move on to the right side of the map, where your SQL skills really starts to shine. First one is SQL functions. So basically the function is nothing but a bit of software to do the calculation or manipulation of the data. So now if you see, majorly these are the different types of functions which are available in SQL by default. Character functions deal with the character data, number functions to deal with the numbers data, and date functions and conversion functions. Then we have aggregate or group functions like a minimum, maximum, then miscellaneous functions. Then another key important topic here is analytical functions, then general functions. So we will deep dive about each category of functions in upcoming session. Then move on to the next topic is indexes. Indexes speed up the data retrieval, like we have a B tree, bitmap, and cluster indexes are available in SQL. So we will deep dive in upcoming session. Then move on to the next topic is pseudo columns. Pseudo columns like row name, row ID, level, sequence. So these will give you the row metadata. Then move on to the next topic is synonyms. So synonyms are simply alternative names for the database objects. So it is like perfect for simplifying the complex references. Basically we have two categories, public and private. We will deep dive as part of this topic about these two type of synonyms. Then move on to the performance tuning. Performance tuning is how you make queries execute fastly. Tools like explain plan, query optimization techniques and SQL hints helps you squeeze the most speed out of your database. Then move on to the next topic is table types. So beyond the standard tables, you have got temporary tables, external tables and CTs here. So we will see about these table types as part of this module. Then move on to the next topic is table partitions. So majorly we have range, list, hash. These are the top level partitions which are available in SQL. So these table partitions, whenever like you are dealing with the huge data sets, that's where this coming to the picture. So we have a sub partitions as well, so that we will deep dive while discussing about these topics. Then move on to the final one, normalization. So the normalization is organizes data to remove redundancy following rules like first, second and third normal forms. And that's the whole SQL learning journey from the core fundamentals to advanced performance tuning and design. You now have the full picture, and with this roadmap you will never have to learn SQL in a scattered way again. If this helped demystify SQL for you, hit like, subscribe and join us here at DataSurface for more step-by-step guides that make complex data skills crystal clear. Thanks for watching and a happy querying. See you in the next one.